typewriter. It's mission 36 Experiment 2. The robot is now running the Simple Mule program, which should cause it to go back and forth between waypoints 1 and 6. At each waypoint it waits for 10 seconds. So it just reached a source, and now it's heading towards the sink. It's going at 1.5 meters per second. I think we'll just let it run back and forth twice, and then we'll call it successful. So there's actually 3 processes running. One of them is DTN2 with the smart NC router. The second process is a contextinator, and the third process is the Pharos. Contextinator gathers and disseminates context information and tells the DTN2 smart NC router how much to send. The Pharos process controls the navigation as well as gathering of context information. In this case, it's the GPS location. Currently, we're not actually transferring anything over the DTN2 network. That will come after this test is determined to be successful. See, the robot has traveled quite far between the 2 waypoints. The idea is to make sure that that the robot is disconnected from the source when it's at the sink and vice versa. Alright, looks like the robot has reached the sink and is waiting for 10 seconds now. It's now turning around, and it will be heading back towards the source. Again, this is mission 36 Experiment 2. This is robot Lone Star. It's a Proteus 2.5 robot. So the brief pauses that you see is most likely due to the GPS not reporting data, or it could also be the compass is not reporting data. Alright, the robot has reached the source. It's now waiting for 10 seconds, and it'll turn around and go back towards the sink. Alright, it's now turning around. The robot has reached the sink again, and now it's turning back towards the source. Brief pause there. Another brief pause. I think one to do is to maybe more securely attach the compass to the 9S12. Hey, what's up?
Yeah, I figured it out finally.
You figured it out?
Yeah, so we can set the host name.
So I don't need to change any host name or anything.
No.
Okay, good. So this is, it looks like it's working.
Is it just going back and forth?
It's also communicating with the contextinator.
Okay.
And
Where's the robot out there?
no, it's just by itself.
Oh, okay. Cool.
But what I mean is, I do have the contextinator process running on it, and it should be sending it whatever the current location is, as well as the destination. And so actually, I'm not logging the contextinator output. Is that?
Well, you can pipe it to a file, or if you want to keep it on the screen terminal,
right.
You can run it through T.
Oh, right.
It'll go to a file.
So unfortunately, on this experiment, I didn't do that. But can we tell whether or not it updated the contextinator just at the very end? I think we can.
Just at the very end, I think.
Yeah, just at the very end. You can actually
Scroll up.
go into the buffer and scroll up. Yeah.
But if it's running by itself, it's not going to actually update the contextinator with anything, right?
But the contextinator still should say output.
It should see GPS.